Hi there, sixth graders. Welcome to day 4 of coding. Hopefully you've gotten a lot out of the variable activities you've done so far and nested loops earlier in the week. Today, you're going to finish all the lesson 9 activities. And you'll notice there's not too many activities. It's just numbers 1 through 5. And it's going to be more work with variables because they are so important in coding. If you guys can head to Jolinas, knowing a little bit about variables, that'll help you tremendously in tech class. Okay, so like I always say, make sure you read the directions. Now you see you're starting with a clean slate here. So I'm going to help you with this first one. The rest are going to be up to you. So it says, let's start this section by drawing a triangle with 150 pixel sides. Be sure to use the length variable and a repeat loop. So I'm going to go to variables here, and I'm going to use the set length to variable. I'm going to set it to 150 pixel sides because all 3 sides have the same length. I'm going to go to math, and I'm going to drag out the numerical value and set that to 150 pixels. And now I have to think, all right, I'm going to use the loops. I'm going to use a repeat 3 times because it's 3 sides to the triangle. And I want it to move forward by length pixels, which is 150, and then turn left. That's 120 degrees. Okay, facing this way, there's a big turn, okay? So let's click run and see what happens. Okay, watch what happens when I play with this number. I'll set it to just 50. You can see the difference. I'll set it to 250. Okay. So that's the kind of work you're going to be doing, is writing some code, adjusting the variables, doing some nested loops so you can draw some pretty cool diagrams. So enjoy today. Again, read the directions, and sometimes you have to scroll through the directions to read them all. I'll show you an example right here. It's a perfect example. Here, you're going to use the set length to block, but you're going to use a different mathematical block here. You're going to use the length plus 10. Okay, so sometimes you have to scroll like I am here. I'm using my mouse to read it all. You can also use the arrows here, okay, over to the right. So in order to get this set length to, I'll go to variables, and I can use set length to, and then I have to go to math. You can see there it's a different color, kind of a violet and then a purple, and use this in conjunction with variables and the mathematical number. Okay, so that's how you would hit those blocks and adjust that. So whatever you set the length to, it's length plus 10. And you would have to have, where is it? Okay. Anyway, I don't want to give too much away on this on the second one, but that's where you'd find the blocks. Okay. So there's only 5 of them. They're going to take some trial and error and changing things up to make it work. Take your time, get through it. Don't get frustrated. If you get frustrated, get up, go for a walk around your house or whatever, come back to it. Sometimes you're going to have to go through some iterations or some repeats of changing some things to try to figure out what's going to work. Stick with it. You'll get it. Okay. See you in the video tomorrow, guys.